song. Let's hope right.
Hello, kids! Are you ready to learn? Let's learn the alphabet with our body parts. Touch, move, and have fun! A is for arm. Lift your arm up high. A is for arm. Lift your arm up high. B is for belly. Tap your belly gently. B is for belly. Tap your belly gently. C is for chest. Touch your chest gently. C is for chest. Touch your chest gently. D is for dimples. Smile big and show your dimples. D is for dimples. Smile big and show your dimples. E is for elbow. Bend your elbow like this. E is for elbow. Bend your elbow like this. F is for finger. Wiggle your finger. F is for finger. Wiggle your finger. G is for gums. Show your smile nice and big. G is for gums. Show your smile nice and big. H is for head. Touch your head with me. H is for head. Touch your head with me.
I is for index finger. Point your finger up.
I is for index finger. Point your finger up. J is for jaw. Open and close your mouth. J is for jaw. Open and close your mouth. K is for knee. Touch your knee gently. K is for knee. Touch your knee gently. L is for lips. Touch your lips softly. L is for lips. Touch your lips softly. M is for mouth. Open your mouth wide. M is for mouth. Open your mouth wide. N is for nose. Touch your nose with me. N is for nose. Touch your nose with me. O is for ocular. That means your eye. O is for ocular. That means your eye. P is for ponytail. Touch your ponytail. P is for ponytail. Touch your ponytail. Q is for quads. Touch the front of your legs. Q is for quads. Touch the front of your legs. R is for ribs. Touch your ribs gently. R is for ribs. Touch your ribs gently. S is for shoulder. Touch your shoulder with me. S is for shoulder. Touch your shoulder with me. T is for teeth. Show your teeth and smile. T is for teeth. Show your teeth and smile. U is for upper arm. Touch your upper arm with me. U is for upper arm. Touch your upper arm with me. V is for veins. See the tiny lines on your hand. V is for veins. See the tiny lines on your hand. W is for wrist. Twist your wrist with me. W is for wrist. Twist your wrist with me. X is for X-ray. We can see your bones inside. X is for X-ray. We can see your bones inside. Y is for yawn. Open your mouth. Y is for yawn. Open your mouth. Z is for zzz. It's time to sleep. Z is for ZZ. It's time to sleep. Great job, kids! You learned your alphabet and body parts. Touch, move, and learn every day. See you again. Bye-bye.